Hey, hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. Today in this video, I'm going to share you very specific and very practical. Right? In this today's video, I want to show you a few examples. I mean, what to write and what to avoid. I also want to talk about a bit on email templates, what recruiters actually reply to. The third thing, what I want to cover you is LinkedIn message examples that that don't feel like a spam. And one more thing I would like to add on here is about the AI tools that you can use to improve all of this properly, right? So no theory, no motivation, just pure examples you can actually use, right? Then let's talk about your first point, that is your CV, right? So CV example. See, most CV fails because they are vague, right? So here's a very common line I see about what is a bad CV and what is a good CV. So bad CV lines are, let's say I am an HR, so writing I am responsible for end-to-end HR activities, right? This tells the recruiter nothing. Instead of that, here's a better version. Instead of that, you can write that handled end-to-end HR recruitment or HR operations for 180 or 150, whatsoever the strength is, employee IT services company, including hiring, onboarding, and employee relation, right? Maybe I can help you with another example. So instead of writing let's say, worked on recruitment and stakeholder management, instead of that, you can write closed 30 to 35 positions across tech and non-tech roles, partnering with hiring managers and leadership teams. So what I'm going to tell you here is the simple rule, for writing a CV is every bullet point or every bullet should answer at least one of these. What are these? Either scale, either context, or either the outcome, right? If none of these are visible, rewrite the lines, right? And keep your CVs in simple format, maximum 1 or 2 pages, and with clear job titles, right? See, recruiters make clarity over creativity. Clear? Uh, the second point I want to talk about is how to email templates, recruiters actually reply to. So, most recruiters' emails are ignored because they sound copied, right? Let me give you an example, right? So, here's a bad example. So, for an example, for writing, "Hi, sir, ma'am, I am very interested in your esteemed organization. Please find my or kindly find my resume attached," right? This sounds very generic. So, here's the better email template that you can use, right? So, uh, in the subject line, mention your role, your experience, and maybe its city, right? And write politely, "Hi, HR name or whatsoever whom you are writing to. I am currently working as your role with your experience. I mean, let's say 4, 5, 6 years of experience in your company. Maybe you can add up your company name. Maybe you can write IT services, etc. Right? Another line what you can add is, I came across your opening for so and so role and felt my experience aligns well, and I am sharing my CV for your review. Thanks, and your name. See, this is very short, very clear, and very professional. Also, always name your CV like your name, your role, and your experience, right? Trust me, it genuinely helps recruiters. The third line, or the third point, what I want to talk about is about LinkedIn message examples, right? So, yeah, LinkedIn is where most people lose credibility, right? According to me. So instead of sending, "Hi, I'm looking for opportunity," it doesn't work here, right? So let me give you an example, right? The bad example is, "Hi, please let me know if there are any openings," right? And if you want to write something good, mention clearly, "Hi, your name, I noticed you are hiring for this and that role in your company. I have this much of experience as in your role in maybe a startup environment and felt my profile could be relevant. I'm sharing my CV. Happy to connect if there's a fit, right? That's it. No long story, no follow-ups every day. If there's no response, move on professionally, right? That's okay. That's completely okay, right? Now, I also want to talk about AI tools to improve all of this in a correct way, right? So, see, AI can help you a lot if you use it correctly, right? Don't ask that, write my CV. Instead, use prompts. So, update your CV on maybe ChatGPT, right? And mention your bullet points. So, for example, if you're writing a CV on ChatGPT, update your CV there, upload your CV on ChatGPT, and mention your bullet points. Ask AI to rewrite them to be clearer and more impact driven without exaggeration. Try this once, right? Second, for writing an email, write an email on ChatGPT and give a prompt that rewrite this email to sound professional, confident, and concise. Clear? Now, if you are sending any text to any recruiter on LinkedIn, write it everything, write whatsoever your agenda is, and give a prompt that make my LinkedIn message more personalized and recruiter friendly. Right? See, AI is best used to improve clarity, fix structure, and save your time. And see, after doing all these prompts and everything, always review your output. And if it doesn't sound like maybe you can rephrase it and don't use it. Clear? Before wrapping up, I want to give you final advice here. Right? See, here, getting shortlisted is not about doing everything. Right? It is about doing the right few things clearly. So, clear CV, clear email, thoughtful LinkedIn approach, and a smart use of AI. Clear? That's all for today's video. In the next video, I am going to share you about my company where I'm working. I am also opening a few of roles for you. Maybe if you want to apply, you can go through my previous videos and apply for the job. I am looking out for some graphic designers, some copywriters, some tech roles, a few of hirings in HR team, uh, few of hirings in the product team, few hirings are there in the community, the project management, finance, and a lot of hirings is going on in the company, right? So I'll share these positions probably on a daily basis with you guys. You can see those videos and you can apply to us via LinkedIn. Or maybe I'll share my email ID too as well. So you can apply it via email as well. That's all for now. Thank you so much for joining this session. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.